basically, game theory is another part of economics, just like micro, macro, and international economics, where we are going to talk about what are the different strategies that individuals or firms have per se. So here we're going to assume that people are actually into a game kind of scenario where they have to decide what they will be doing, considering into what the other person or the other firm is going to do. So in game theory, I have a set of players. I have a set of strategies. And I have corresponding payoffs related to the strategies. Let us start by taking a very simple example, and then we will go ahead and we will talk about different examples. The first example that we usually go ahead and explain is related to something which is known as prisoner's dilemma. Now, in prisoner's dilemma, what is the situation that we have? The situation is that we have two prisoners that we have caught. So maybe this can be prisoner 1. Let's give some name to it. Let's say that this is Bonnie, and let's say that this is prisoner 2. And let's say that the name of this person is Clyde. Now, we have caught these prisoners, but we want these prisoners to tell us about the crime that they have done. Now, each of these prisoners, so there are two prisoners, so the set of players are prisoner 1 and prisoner 2. Now, each of these prisoners have two strategies. Strategy 1 is that they can go ahead and commit the crime. So they can either confess the crime, they can tell us that they have committed the crime, or they can go ahead and save themselves by not committing the crime. So this is the set of strategies available to prisoner 1, and similarly for prisoner 2 also, either he can confess or he cannot confess. Okay, so let's go back and see what are the strategies. Either they can confess or not confess for prisoner 1, and for prisoner 2 also, either he can confess or not confess. Now, for each strategy that they have, there is a corresponding utility or a corresponding payoff that they get related to the strategies. Now, in this case, what is the story? So we are taking these prisoners separately. So, this is room 1. In room 1, I have this prisoner 1 sitting with a police officer. And in room 2 also, I have this prisoner 2 sitting with a police officer.